My name is Isaac from Zipline. I'm a business development associate from Ghana. So basically, Zipline is a logistics company that started in the US, and then we began operations officially in Rwanda, now Ghana, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, and then we'll be launching very soon in Kisumu from the 1st of July. So we deliver blood, essential medicines, vaccines, animal vaccines, and then livestock products like swine semen in Rwanda. Okay, so you know the world has an issue with last mile delivery, and it's known to be the biggest challenge in the logistics industry. And so we set out to solve that particular problem and also to bridge the equity gap. So you know, in very remote areas, there are issues accessing essential medicines, blood products, anything that is essential. They find it very, very difficult because of lack of roads, whether it's generally poor in those areas. And so we set out to solve that particular problem for them. And so came these drones, where, okay, instead of transporting things over by road, we use these drones to deliver to the remote areas in a very short amount of time. So our main targets are actually the very remote areas where they lack access to essential medicines. They usually have very bad roads, and access in general is a challenge. So we don't fly in the big cities. So we don't fly in the big cities like Nairobi and the others. So we are mainly focused in very remote areas. So for instance, in Ghana, where we are operating in the north, in the eastern parts of Ghana, where we have logistical challenges, because in the capital you don't really have challenges like that. And we also have what we call the no-fly zones. So it's difficult to fly in certain regions. And so because of that, even if there was a need, that could potentially be a challenge. So we always look out for some of these things. So Zipline started in 2015. Yes. So we've been in existence since then, operating in Rwanda initially, then we came to Ghana, then Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, and then hopefully, like I mentioned already, we are launching in Kisumu. So in Kenya, there is certainly a need, and one of the main things is that there was a clear interest from the local government of Kisumu, and so it facilitated our entry into Kenya. Yeah. So it is not a project. This is commercial deliveries at national scale. So because when you take Ghana, for example, we're actually covering about 95% of the population in Ghana, which is really substantial. So we're able to save lives by the work we do. So you have people requesting for blood products. And you know the nature of these things, it's emergency. We don't pre-plan for them. So if someone orders needs, let's say, blood at 1 a.m., you cannot drive from, let's say, Accra or in Kenya, Nairobi, all the way here. It will take so much time and the person will just end up dying. And so with our service, we've been able to save a lot of lives, because you order the product, in 30 minutes it's there. And so we've made the health service more efficient in the way it operates at saving lives. Yes. So when it comes to challenges, one of our main challenges has been with civil aviation authorities, and not necessarily a challenge from them per se. It's a challenge that's on the ground. There are certain zones we cannot fly because there are a lot of flight operations in those regions, like the big towns would have a lot of no-fly areas. But when it comes to these remote regions, you don't really have airports and things, so it makes it very easy to fly there. So that has been our challenge, how to overcome the logistical challenges in the big areas. Currently, our drones are flying at 400 meters averagely above the ground, and they can travel a distance of 120 kilometers. Usually we do an 80-kilometer range in and then out. You know, the other drones have to come up before flying. Within a second, we are off. Since January 2022, we began a pilot project in Rwanda to deliver swine semen in partnership with the Rwandan Agricultural Board, that's RAB. But now it's actually scaling. We've gone past the proof of concept stage, and we're actually doing commercial deliveries of swine semen to smallholder farmers. So it's not just health, we are expanding to other areas. Like we have potentially some e-commerce activities coming up.